Guys, this is the ridge caps on the home, and this is what we call an apex cap. So this cap was made out of concrete, bonded concrete, and then they put a protective paint finish on it, which is obviously red, and then a clear coat over the top. Clearly you can see that manufacturers don't always make them the strongest, or they change the mix, or there is batch issues. Now, if we get to our roofs early enough and we do the preventive maintenance and we put a protective paint coating on them, this type of deterioration, which I would term as concrete cancer, doesn't happen. Conversely, your tiles won't lose their paint finish as well, so and get it back down to bare. And you can see with the solar system that's been installed on this home 5 or 6 years ago, that where the water's running off all the solar panels and hitting the tile surface just continually, that all the way along, it's taken at that point all the paint off the tiles, exposing the bare concrete. So guys, if that's not a good enough reason to, you know, carry out preventive roof tile maintenance and even a roof restoration once every 10 or 15 years by a responsible contractor that's going to do the job right, I'm not sure what is. Cheers, talk soon.